Well, you have probably heard that trading is 80% psychology, but nobody teach you how to control your emotion while your money is on the line. So in this video, I will break it down how to manage fear, greed, and frustration so you can trade like a pro, not an emotional gambler. Well, most traders can lose money in trading not just because their trading strategy is bad, it's just because they can panic when things go wrong or get greedy when things go right. And this is how emotion can hijack your brain. Fear can makes you exit too early in trade, greed can makes you hold too long, and frustration can makes you overtrade. So your worst losses usually happen in trading after a big win or a big loss, because your brain is no longer thinking logically. So here are a few steps which you can follow so you can control your emotion. First step is have a written plan. Every trade should be planned before you can enter. Entries, stop loss, take profit, and how much you will risk. Because when your mind knows the rules, so your emotion can never control on your brain. The second step is have a proper risk management. Never risk more than 1 or 2% on each trade. Why? Because too much risk can makes you emotional. If you can risk small, it feel like a game. Small risk, calm mindset. The third step is trade less, review more. You don't need 10 or 20 or 50 trades a day. You need only one good trade with a perfect execution. Take fewer trades and review them weekly so you can learn your emotional pattern. The fourth step is set a daily loss limit. If you can hit your daily limit, so don't trade, stop trading, don't chase, don't fight the market, walk away. And that's why professional trader can follow that rule, and because of this rule they can limit their losses. And the fifth and last step is use a journal. Write down what you feel before, during, and after each trade. Over time you can notice an emotional trigger, and once you know your trigger you can break them. So these are few steps which can follow by professional trader, and I wanna want that you can also follow them. Because in the trading market you are not here to gamble, you are here to build a freedom and master a skill. And you know what? Trading is fun only when you can win, and you can win only when you are in control, not your emotion. If you want to be a real professional trader in 2025, so master your mindset while the market can master on you. So I hope you're gonna get some value from this video. So if you are new here, subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any question, comment me. Thank you so much.